here.
What's the secret that's in there?
Wheels. From the Wet Bandit. Except for there were 2 Wet Bandits, but I'm like a perfect mix in between the Wet Bandits, because I'm like, who's the like short fat guy? I'm like him, but also like the tall skinny guy. We would be the Wet Bandits if we were dressed the same.
Yeah. What's your new ass jack?
Yeah, I've been only jacking new asses with this one. My new ass jack.
Check out my new ass boots.
Some new ass boots. Oh yeah, check out my new ass suit. I won't mention who gave this to me because they stole it from the fucking
military base.
Yeah, but I got a fancy Air Force like mechanic jumpsuit. So.
Kat got this for DJ's early birthday.
Yeah. I've been wanting this literally for like probably 2 years now. It's my favorite fucking steering wheel in the whole world. Ugh. It's the Vertex Hells Racing wheel. It's so fucking sick. Check out the backside.
Wow.
It's sick. It's just got like skull and crossbones and shit. It's fucking so dope. So for 2D, we just have a whole bunch of little stuff. Have new wheels, and I need an alignment. So we're gonna raise the front so that my new wheels will fit under there, because they are +8, 15 by 7 +8. And then, but that's all you get to know about them for now. And then, also it's so low that like every time you hit a bump, the power braces just drag on the ground. It's really, really low since we did that angle kit, because all the camber. So we're gonna raise up the front. We're gonna put in my adjustable tension rods so that they can adjust caster when I get in alignment. And then once that's done, I just gotta adjust my clutch pedal and throw in a new clutch for the clutch fan. And that's like pretty much it.
Also, we're back from New York.
Yeah, we've been back for like a week. We just haven't been able to like link up and make a video yet, so this is that.
Yeah.
Working on, oh yeah. Also, like, I posted about my wheels that I was getting, like, I needed tires mounted, and so many people were like, you have a 240? Gonna work on the 240 today. Just thinking, like, is there anything we need to do before I jack this up? Like, maybe loosen the lug nuts a little.
Also, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering where your orders are at, your lanyards and your keychains and stuff. I basically shipped almost everything out today. I still got a couple things to label and send out, but should be out by tomorrow. So if your stuff isn't there in like the next 2 weeks, then it might be a problem. So let me know after like 2 weeks and we'll get it figured out. Sorry about the long wait, we kind of fucked up. Lots of things happened.
We went on a road trip in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Probably wasn't the best idea to...
Well, we should have had it before we went on the road trip.
Yeah.
But love having all this room.
Yeah, it's nice and spacious back here. Yeah, once we do the shit that we're doing today, all I have to do is get my wheels and tires mounted and balanced. And then when my shank, like lug nuts show up, I'll be able to mount my wheels on here. And then all it needs after that is an alignment. And then like...
Ready for winter drift.
It's pretty much ready to go fucking smash on. I think the number one issue we might run into immediately is, do I have spanners?
Spanners? You sure they're not in there?
Yep, pretty sure. Oh, maybe they're in this little hidey hole.
Hunter will tell you about hidey hole.
That's a joke literally only for people who actually know it's in real life. Heidi. That's pretty fucking good.
I wonder if she ever gets that joke. I wonder if Hunter ever made that joke with her.
Give me that hidey hole.
I'm trying to get in that hidey hole.
After a delve into my garage, I came out with one BC spanner for BC coilovers.
These are not BCs.
These are not BCs, these are Megans. And then I got the spanners for, I think these are for my BMW coilovers, which I don't have that car anymore, so.
Fingers crossed.
This isn't ideal, check this out.
Oh yeah, you don't even need a spanner.
Watch this radical maneuver.
Wait, is that moving the whole thing?
Oh no, it's just a spring. Yeah, whoops. Let's see if these fit. If these fit. I mean, honestly, this is an open letter to coilover manufacturers.
I know.
Like, please make all of your fucking spanners the same size. Just come up with a standardized system. There we go.
Nice.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go like 10 rings. Like, I'm gonna go ham, cause...
High ham?
High ham. I can, because like the style I'm going for is like 90s shit, you know? So like I'm running 15 by 7 plus 8s with 195 60 sidewalls. So they're gonna be pretty big. I want to have like a little bit of gap at least in the front for you know, going over bumps and shit when I'm sideways. I want it to be functional, but like still look cool, you know. All right, let's count some rings. They had a sale on socks, dude. $3.75 for a pair, and they spent like $20. They got like a shitload of weird girly socks.
Nice. I bet they're comfy.
They are comfy as fuck. You got the coil overall, raised it up. Check that. Look at all that gunk. That's from where it wasn't raised up before.
You're lucky that it spun pretty freely.
It did. I am lucky. So next is that tension rod. We're gonna replace it with an adjustable boy.
Fun fact, this is the first thing we've ever done to a car, basically.
Yeah, replacing a tension rod was literally the first time we ever worked on a car.
Yeah. There's a video about it.
Yeah, it's our second video. We fixed a car!
That video's probably better than this one's gonna be.
Dude, our old videos are so good.
I know.
What happened to more skits, man? Dude, they've been going downhill. Shit, I just sat down and I need my entire toolbox. Will you hand me my entire toolbox? Heckin' motherfuck. I'm gonna need a
Big truck. I need one too. Mine's broken.
yeah, seen that. Mother heckin' fucker. Burn funky. Oh, god damn it. Problem is that my power brace is all bent
Really?
because it's been so low, so I can't get to the bolt on the other side.
Oh, hi.
Minnoy, how did we bend it back on your car?
Let me look in there. So the power brace has like a little lip on it, and it's folded over so that we can't really get a socket on the nut. And we need to get that off to get the new tension rod in. It's the other side of that.
But imagine, here, point it at it. Imagine that this is bent up over the nut. That's basically what's going on. So I'm just gonna put a vice grip thingy on it
Try to bend her back.
and try to bend her back. Get it? This shit is fucked up. Get me a wrench. I just don't have one.
Why?
Because all my tools go to your house and then explode. Sick.
There she is.
There she blew me.
Let's see that compared to the new boy. Didn't we try to do this earlier and you didn't have fucking studs?
Now I have them.
Oh, you do? We were gonna do this a while ago, but these don't come with studs for some reason. So we had to order new ones.
So I'm just gonna make these the same length.
Yeah. Pretty dang close
It's pretty dang close already, yeah. I think I'm gonna shorten it up just a couple threads.
Fancy red.
You know, nothing but fancy. Fancy eBay is all I do.
I'd say that's an upgrade from Amazon. What do you guys think? Amazon or eBay? What's the better one?
Yeah, there's no way that they sell the exact same shit. What time is it?
2:45.
2:45. 2 zigzags. 2 babies is all we need. God fucking damn it. Okay, getting the last bolts into the tension rod. Once that's tightened up, all I gotta do is drop her down and start on the other side. And then after that, it's really simple, easy shit.
Nice.
And then we're done for the day, which is, it's really cool to like, I gotta believe in like 2 hours and like, I actually have faith that we'll get all this done before then. That's so cool.
That is crazy.
That never happens.
No. I wonder why that is. What is the root of our problems?
Is it that we're bad at what we do? That couldn't be it. I have something that I learned about in like one of my business classes was there's like a name for it, I forget. It's like the Great Wall of Incompetence or something like that. It's like a phenomenon in business where like people will just keep getting promoted until they find a job that they are shit at. Like they'll start out like at a certain skill level, they'll get better as they go and stuff like that, and just keep getting promoted and promoted and promoted until they'll find themselves in a position where they're completely unqualified for it and they have no fucking idea how to do it, and like, but nobody wants to like fire them or demote them because it's like rude. So they'll just stay, they'll literally stay there for the rest of their lives being shit at their job until something catastrophic goes wrong and then they get fired. And that's it. And that's like a huge, it's kind of like an economic bubble, but like in labor force, not in like money.
I'm trying to hit that flow.
Trying to hit that flow. Trying to get a really good paying job that I can't do.
All right, so this is the old tension rod coming out on the passenger side. Battery's dying, I'm gonna go grab the new one.
So that Kat can learn on cars, we should just make her do everything for us.
That'd be dope.
That'd be sick.
It'd be good for her.
Yeah.
Kat, you wanna fix my truck?
But also all those bolts and bags will you hand me then? She's learning. Yay!
Yeah, I'm a master mechanic. I picked up these bolts and bags.
It's about as good as we get. Yeah! Gotta be strong to work on cars.
Or cool.
Yeah, that would be fine.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, let me look at it from a distance. Yeah, that's like so much better. It used to just be fucking like. It's still definitely lower in the front, but I'll like do final adjustments to the ride height after I get my tires mounted.
All right, so next thing is to replace the clutch fan.
Yeah, well the fan clutch, because we did that
clutch.
video where we put in GK Tech
Clutch fan.
but what I failed to have any sort of knowledge about was how to really tell if my fan clutch was actually dead. I tried to stop it with a stick and I couldn't stop it, so I was like, it's fine. But apparently it's not. I'm gonna pull this one off and put that one on. There's probably the simplest fucking trick in the world to this, and I have no idea what it is. So I need like something to hold this in place.
I think you're on the right track with 2 wrenches. He's got one of them off. How did you do it? Oh, you just go.
No, I used there's a screwdriver. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Ouch. I just cut myself on a zip tie. God damn it. So this is the Toasty Man. Go get the new man.
New man?
So look at that spring. Nice and spicy compared to mine. See?
Let's see it.
That's all fucked up and weird.
Yeah, it is.
Like busted out. I don't know if that really makes much of a difference, but apparently this one works great. Okay, these are like done. Going through and making sure they're all tight, and then put all this shit back together. Ouch. All this shit back together, and then it's just clutch pedal, and then we're done. And then this thing's like, all it needs is an alignment and my new wheels put on it. I'm pretty hyped about that. Well, I have to like leave for school in like 20 minutes, so we decided not to adjust the clutch pedal, but that's exciting that the last thing I really have to do is adjust the clutch pedal. But literally like there's tons of threads left, and all I have to do is just adjust the little adjuster guy out. So anyway, I'm gonna do that on my own time, like maybe tonight after school or something. And then that's it. Like literally just put my wheels on it, and it's like, I don't know, maybe burp the coolant or something like that, and she's ready. Change the oil. I've not done that. But yeah, I've been like, oh, and getting alignment. I've been, ever since we did the angle kit, I still haven't gotten an alignment just because I've been busy and gone and not had the money and stuff like that. I have on a few occasions when it like rains, taken it out and driven it around a little bit, and it's very sketchy with no alignment. Like if it's dry, I'll go around a corner just slightly to the right and my left front will squeal. Like it's that good. But anyway, I'm super fucking hyped. Like I've wanted a 240 for so long, and this thing is like this
Once
close.
you get these wheels on there, it's gonna be fucking sick.
I'm gonna be
dude.
so hyped. Like I'm gonna actually want to clean the car once I get the wheels on them.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm hyped on those wheels. I won't give away what the wheels are, but they are from the 80s. They are from Japan. They are 15x7 plus 0 in the rear plus 8 in the front.
And they're sick.
They are sick. And I paid a lot less for them than I paid for those Enkis that weren't right.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
I'll be doing skids in the next video. Even if the next video's on my Civic, I'll be doing skids in the next video. I don't give a fuck.